Welcome to Trivia on Tap, where we prepare you to win bar trivia and increase your general knowledge. Subscribe for daily trivia videos and comment below with how many answers you got correct. Let's get started with some ceramics trivia. What is the process of heating ceramics to high temperatures called? Is it A, firing, or B, burning, or C, baking, or D, kilning? The correct answer is A, firing. Which ancient civilization is known for their intricate blue and white porcelain? Is it A, China, or B, Japan, or C, Persia, or D, Greece? The correct answer is A, China. A, clay, or B, silica, or C, porcelain, or D, sand. What is the primary material used in traditional ceramics? The correct answer is A, clay. What is the Japanese art of repairing broken pottery with lacquer, dusted with powdered gold called? Is it A, nihonga, or B, kintsugi, or C, wabi-sabi, or kirigami? The correct answer is B, kintsugi. What is the term for pottery that has been fired but not yet glazed? Is it A, greenware, or B, terracotta, or C, stoneware, or D, bisque? The correct answer is D, bisque. Which country is famous for its bone china? A, Japan or China, or C, Italy, or D, England? The correct answer is D, England. Which of the following is the name of the wheel used in shaping round ceramic pieces? A, clay turntable, or B, spinner's wheel, or C, potter's wheel, or D, ceramist's wheel? The correct answer is C, potter's wheel. Which type of ceramic ware is known for being porous and less dense than stoneware or porcelain? A, terracotta, or B, earthenware, or C, majolica, or D, bone china? The correct answer is B, earthenware. What is the method of shaping ceramics by hand using a rotating wheel called? A, molding, or B, throwing, or C, spinning, or D, sculpting? The correct answer is B, throwing. Which of the following is the term for the first firing of a ceramic piece before glazing? A, bisque firing, or B, glaze firing, or C, terracotta firing, or D, kiln dry? The correct answer is A, bisque firing. Which English potter is famous for his jasperware? Is it A, Thomas Wheeldon, or B, Michael Cardew, or C, Bernard Leach, or D, Josiah Wedgwood? The correct answer is D, Josiah Wedgwood. What is the method called where ceramics are formed by pouring slip into molds? A, mold pouring, or B, slip casting, or C, slip modeling, or D, slip forming? The correct answer is B, slip casting. Which Italian city is renowned for its majolica ceramics? Is it A, Venice, or B, Florence, or Sfaenza, or D, Milan? The correct answer is C, Faenza. What is the technique of applying a fine slip to pottery to create a smooth surface called? Is it A, ingo, or B, glazing, or C, slip casting, or D, burnishing? The correct answer is D, burnishing. What type of clay is known for its high plasticity and is commonly used in porcelain? Is it A, bentonite, or B, kaolin, or C, ball clay, or D, fire clay? The correct answer is B, kaolin. What is the main difference between earthenware and stoneware? A, color, or B, firing temperature, or C, material composition, or D, porosity? The main difference between earthenware and stoneware lies in their material composition. The answer is C, material composition. The correct answer is D, porosity. Which method is called where ceramics are created by pressing clay into a mold? A, throwing, or B, press molding, or C, casting, or D, coil building? The correct answer is B, press molding. Which country is known for its traditional raku pottery? A, China or Japan, or C, South Korea, or D, India? The correct answer is B, Japan. What is the term for a ceramic piece that has been glazed and fired for the final time? A, stoneware, or B, earthenware, or C, bisqueware, or D, glazeware? The correct answer is D, glazeware. Which type of ceramic ware is characterized by its non-porous vitrified surface? A, porcelain, or B, earthenware, or C, stoneware, or D, terracotta? The correct answer is C, stoneware. Which famous potter founded the Leach pottery in St. Ives, Cornwall? Is it A, Edward Cardew, or B, Janet Leaf, or C, Michael Casson, or D, Bernard Leach? The correct answer is D, Bernard Leach. Which process involves applying a liquid clay mixture to a ceramic piece? A, slip casting, or B, slip trailing, or C, underglaze painting, or D, glazing? The correct answer is B, slip trailing. What is the name for the painted designs on traditional Delft ware? Is it A, chinoiserie chic, or B, Amsterdam artistry, or C, Delft blue, or D, Dutch rose? The correct answer is C, Delft blue. What is the name of the translucent white ceramic known for its high quality? A, bone china, or B, porcelain, or C, white stoneware, or D, ivory ceramic? The correct answer is A, bone china. Which ancient culture developed the use of kiln-fired bricks? A, ancient Greece, or B, ancient Egypt, or C, Mesopotamia, or D, ancient Rome? The correct answer is C, Mesopotamia. What is the name for traditional Korean celadon ware? Is it A, Gaya celadon, or B, Goryeo celadon, or C, Joseon celadon, or D, Baekje celadon? The correct answer is B, Goryeo celadon. Which characteristic distinguishes porcelain from other ceramics? Is it A, weight, or B, translucency, or C, color consistency, or D, cold to touch, or? The correct answer is B, translucency. What is the technique called where colored slips are inlaid into the surface of pottery? Is it A, sgraffito, or B, slip casting, or C, agate ware, or D, mishima? The correct answer is D, mishima. Which country is known for its distinctive blue and white ceramics called Delftware? Is it A, Germany, or B, Netherlands, or C, France, or D, Denmark? The correct answer is B, Netherlands. Which type of ceramic firing involves the reduction of oxygen in the kiln? Is it A, oxidation firing, or B, wood firing, or C, reduction firing, or D, electric firing? The correct answer is C, reduction firing. What is the term for the decorative technique where designs are scratched into the clay? Is it A, sgraffito, or B, embossing, or C, applique, or inlay? The correct answer is A, sgraffito. What is the name of the Italian pottery style characterized by bright colors and elaborate designs? Is it A, rococo, or B, mosaico, or C, majolica, or D, terracotta? The correct answer is C, majolica. What is the term for the surface treatment that seals and decorates ceramics? A. Glazing, or B. Lacquering, or C. Priming, or D. Varnishing? The correct answer is A. Glazing. What is the main material used in bone china? Is it A. Pure calcium, or bone ash, or C. Porcelain clay, or D. Quartz sand? The correct answer is B. Bone ash. Which technique involves creating ceramics by hand coiling long ropes of clay? A. Coiling, or B. Slip casting, or C. Pinching, or D. Throwing? The correct answer is A. Coiling. What is the term for the decorative slip technique used on Greek pottery? Is it A. Red figure, or sgraffito, or C. Black figure, or D. Terra sigillata? The correct answer is C. Black figure. Which type of clay is commonly used in making sanitary ware? Is it A. Stoneware clay, or B. Porcelain clay, or C. Vitreous china, or D. Earthenware clay? The correct answer is C. Vitreous china. What is the term for the semi-translucent, high-fired ceramic known for its strength? Is it A. Terracotta, B. Stoneware, C. Porcelain, D. Bone china? The possible solutions are A. Terracotta, B. Stoneware, C. Porcelain, or D. Bone china. The correct answer is C. Porcelain. What is the term for the mixture of clay and water used in slip casting? A. Clay solution, or B. Porcelain, or C. Slip, or D. Glaze? The correct answer is C. Slip. Which civilization is known for their black figure pottery? A. Rome, or B. China, or C. Greece, or D. Egypt? The correct answer is C. Greece. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.